And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a freeze frame. It's definitely something that you need when you make tutorials. So we've got a simple clip right here. Once again, it's from Pexels. You will find it in the description below. And let's just say at this point you want to create a freeze. So a still image. You can see the tools up here. And if you activate this clip in the timeline, so just left click on it while the select tool is active, you will have more of these tools. And one of them is the freeze function right here. Left click on it and it will generate a still image of 3 seconds by default. So if I roll the clip, here it moves. And we've got the freeze frame and then it moves again. If you want to have it longer, just hover over the edge and then drag it. Once again, I've got the select tool active. And you can obviously also make it shorter by doing this. You can also see that if I have an image, so in this case the freeze frame active, we can't freeze it again. So the freeze tool is grayed out. But if I select a video clip again, we could create another freeze frame. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.